In this video, we're going to be looking at a Microsoft Excel function that helps you to calculate or to get the number of character in a cell. This is very useful where you have, let's say for an instance, you have an application where you have a maximum character limit for a field to be like 10, and then you're trying to bring in some data into that application. So let's say for instance, we have an application that has a product ID. It has a maximum limit or character limit of 10. Now you have an Excel file with product IDs and the quantity and product data actually, and then you want to input the data or you want to import that data into your application. For you to confirm that you have the number of character limit for the product ID on your Excel, you can use this Excel function to confirm that you have not more than 10 characters for the product ID. Point to note is that in Excel, you can have a text as a character, you can have a number as a character, and you can as well have a blank as a character. So if I were to put a blank into cell G3, I'm just going to press on my space bar twice, right? And then I'm going to come to length and say equals to LEN. So LEN does what? It returns the number of characters in a text string. So because it says that the text, so I'm going to do tab, I'm going to point it or reference the cell G3. Click on enter on my keyboard. So Excel sees that I have 2 characters in G3. For instance, we're going to use this to get the number of characters for product. So do len tab, and I'm going to point it to B3. So Excel is telling me I have number of characters for bag to be 3, which is actually correct. I'm going to drag this down, and then Excel tells me that I have shoe to be 4, I have belt to be 4, I have sneakers to be 8, I have cap to be 3, which is very correct. So in Microsoft Excel, you can use the len formula or the len function to get the exact number of characters in a